In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an account backup for compliance in Basecamp. If you need a complete, defensible record of your Basecamp data for compliance, audit, or archival purposes, the good news is Basecamp includes a built-in export tool. The key thing to know upfront is that only the account owner, or someone the owner has granted export rights to, can run an account-wide export. If you're unsure who that is, head to Admin Land and check the people list to identify the current owner before you begin. Once you're signed in with the correct permissions, you're ready to go. Start from your Basecamp dashboard and move to Admin Land. You'll find it by clicking your avatar or profile icon in the top right corner and choosing Admin Land from the menu. This is the central hub for account-level settings, so it's the right place for tasks like exports that affect the whole account. Inside Admin Land, scroll down until you see the Export section. It's typically labeled Export Data from this account and may also appear as Export My Data. This is where you can trigger a full account export that includes both active and archived projects, which is essential if you're producing a comprehensive record. Next, choose what to export. If you need a complete backup, select All Projects for a full account export. If your compliance or audit requirement is narrower, you can select specific projects instead. Basecamp will prepare an HTML export, which means the output is designed to be opened in any web browser, making the content easy to navigate and review without special software. After you submit the export request, Basecamp will process it in the background. The time this takes depends on how large your account is and how many projects you've included, so don't be concerned if it isn't immediate. You'll receive an email notification as soon as the export is ready. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or filtered folders just in case. When the email arrives, follow the link provided to download the zip file. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough disk space available before starting the download. Once the file is saved, consider opening it to confirm the HTML files load correctly in your browser. Store the backup in a secure location, label it with the date for easy reference, and align your retention and access controls with your organization's compliance policies. That's all it takes to create a reliable Basecamp account backup you can confidently use for audits and archival needs.